What's going on, guys? It's Kuday here, and today we're in a video on Mortal Kombat. Today we will be playing the Tower 100 once again. So I want to revisit this tower because it's really important, and I've honestly put this video off for a little bit. I missed a lot of tower refreshes because of it, but I really wanted to actually do a video on playing this tower again because it's one of the most important towers you can do besides Tower 200, because Tower 100 can give you a diamond, and I actually received Noob Saibot on this account with this challenge or tower level, etc. So what we're gonna do is play it, and as you can see, this is what we have on all of our characters here, and we're gonna see how this goes. We have a lot of block breakers and some brutality equipment. Unfortunately, I cannot morph into the bosses with Shang Tsung, so in this video, we won't be looking at Shang Tsung and the fact that he can actually do brutalities with other people's equipment. So if you have Shang Tsung's brutality equipment maxed out, you can actually do the opponent's brutality as long as they have one to begin with. So I'll be covering that in a different video, but for this time, we can't because, you know, it's bosses. And let's retake a look at what the bosses have in this case. And, you know, it's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's Fatal, so I'm not surprised that these bosses are pretty stacked and everything. So, Rain was actually nerfed. And I'll be showing off how Rain was nerfed, and his combo ender is actually way worse now because there's a little bit of a time delay when you're going to attack them again. So I will be comparing that to old footage so you can see what this nerf did, and it was really, really bad. Not the greatest run, and the reason why was because Rain, you know, I missed the first special one I tried to do, and then immediately, no matter what I do, block, defend, no matter what, Raiden has a block breaker, and what's really annoying is if you're trying to hit them, you just hear the doom 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 sound, and you can't do crap. So it's kind of annoying when that happens. Yeah, that was obviously a tough round. Let's try that again. Oh my god, you know, WB, if you're gonna put nice, awesome, like, techno songs in your stages, to kind of reflect on your past. Can you not make it copyrighted? Because that is just such a bummer. What a great song, but you don't even allow creators to even use it. Also, I can't even hit. What's going on? See this? What the heck? I'm trying to hit right now. It's not working. There we go. I don't know what happened there. My characters were just not hitting. I don't know if you guys experienced that bug before, but it just sat there. It just kept like hitting once or twice. Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude this video. We're just going to do Tower 2. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Circle Shadows Katana, that's all I can get after all that. Well, I was hoping for another Noob Saibot. Well, actually not really, because I already have maxed. But I was hoping for like maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I was hoping for, but definitely not Circle Shadows Katana. Maybe like Quan Chi or something. She's good, but not the character that I was hoping for. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. And we're going to do some more videos here soon on the Shang Tsung brutality and also the bug fixes that happened, you know, a couple days ago or a week. I don't know. It's been a while. Anyways, guys, peace out.